Rare Treasure Hunt and JDM Legends Unboxed. Hot Wheels Collector's Dream Haul. Get ready for a high-octane unboxing as we dive into one of our most exciting Hot Wheels hauls yet. 1975 Datsun Sunny Truck B120, HW Hot Trucks 610, a true JDM legend. The B120 Sunny Truck symbolizes the heart of Japanese utility vehicles from the 70s. Known for its rugged simplicity and mod-friendly platform, this cult classic makes a comeback in a beautiful blue-green finish that blends retro charm with modern edge. 92 Ford Mustang 2025 HW70s versus 90s 710. Representing the golden age of Fox body Mustangs, this model captures the bold lines and street power of early 90s American muscle. Built for speed, style, and statement, a nostalgic nod to the horsepower wars of the era. LB Silhouette Works GT, Nissan GTR R35, then and now E10, 42,250. The Liberty Walk GTR is the definition of wide-body fury. This version immortalizes the high-performance R35 with aggressive aerodynamics and track-ready stance. A must-have for fans of modern JDM tuner culture. Porsche 928S Safari, Treasure Hunt, HW Dirt. The star of the show, this off-road ready Safari 928 brings rally soul to Porsche's classic Grand Tourer. With its lifted stance and treasure hunt rarity, it's one of the most exciting chases of the year, and we've got it right here. Porsche 904 Carrera GTS, pastel yellow. HW Race Day 310, built for endurance racing in the 1960s, only 100 of these beauties were ever produced. The 904 GTS was Porsche's mid-engine marvel, and this pastel yellow die-cast brings its aerodynamic grace to your collection with understated elegance. Drift Ender, HW First Response 4/5. Hot Wheels fantasy at its finest. A police drift car that looks like it flew out of an anime action sequence. Blending the worlds of emergency response and motorsport, this is pure imagination on wheels. X34 Landspeeder, HW Screen Time. Straight from Tatooine to your collection. A tribute to the legendary Star Wars saga, this model gives sci-fi fans a piece of cinematic history in die-cast form. Mercedes-Benz 500e, dark green metallic, HW70s versus 90s 310, the legendary German sleeper. Co-developed with Porsche, the 500e packed a V8 punch beneath elegant lines. Nicknamed the wolf in sheep's clothing, this deep green version radiates luxury and power in equal measure. 90 Honda Civic EF HW70s versus 90s 28 250, an icon of the tuner scene. The EF hatchback was lightweight, agile, and endlessly modifiable. Whether on city streets or midnight circuits, the Civic EF carved its name into car culture forever. Whether you're into street style, retro racers, or cinematic speed machines, this unboxing has it all. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more rare Hot Wheels, collector tips, and epic diecast content. Hit the bell so you never miss a new release.